Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made these yummy cookies. So delicious. Just 3 ingredients. If today is your first time of watching my video, just click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos, so that any day I drop any new video you will get an alert. In this channel I tutor you how to bake cake, decorate, and so many other pastries and small chops you will love. Check out my channel, you will enjoy, and thank me later. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back. Don't forget to like this video, feel free to share to your friend, and feel free to invite a friend to this channel. Let's get started. 200 grams of margarine, 70 grams of icing sugar, and 220 grams of flour. Cream your margarine a little and you add your icing sugar. Continue creaming till it's looking pearl. Add your flour and you mix thoroughly. Put in your fridge for 30 minutes. Fridge or freezer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, sprinkle flour and you try to roll it out. After cutting out your cookies, use your hand and create any design of your choice. Bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, my cookies are ready. Looking so beautiful. Please make sure you try out this recipe. It's so delicious, you will thank me later. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new videos, so that any day I post new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, don't forget to like this video. Feel free to share to your friends and feel free to invite a friend to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. Bye bye.